Yo, what's up, hustlers? Ready to change your life? Want to make some serious cash? I'm talking about real money, not just pocket change. Like, enough for a new pair of Jordans every day? Or maybe even that dream vacation you've been thinking about. Userlytics is where it's at. This is the platform that pays you for your opinions. This platform pays you to share your opinion. Yes, you heard that right. That's right, your thoughts are valuable. Companies want to know what you think. You get paid to watch videos, test websites, and even try out new apps. And tell companies what you think. Your feedback helps them improve. Userlytics is all about making the internet a better place. Your input is crucial. They need your help to make sure websites and apps are user-friendly. It's all about enhancing user experience. You know, so your grandma doesn't throw her phone across the room trying to order cat food online. We've all been there. Imagine $300 a day just for sharing your thoughts. New phone, who dis? Or maybe even a new wardrobe. Luxury cars, here I come. Let's get this bread. The possibilities are endless. We're talking easy money, people. Money that you can earn from the comfort of your home. So buckle up and let's dive into the wonderful world of Userlytics. Your side hustle starts now, and the future is bright. All right, signing up is a piece of cake. Even your pet goldfish could do it. First things first, head over to the Userlytics website. You'll see a sign up button. Don't be shy, click it. Next, fill out your info. Name, email, the usual suspects. Don't worry, they won't ask for your social security number yet. They will ask about your interests and demographics. This helps them match you with the right tasks. Once you're done, hit that submit button. Boom! You're officially a Userlytics tester. Now let's talk about the fun part, the tasks. Okay, so what exactly are these tasks we speak of? You might be wondering if it's too good to be true. Think of it like this. You're getting paid to be a professional couch potato. Yes, you heard that right. You'll be asked to watch videos, browse websites, and test out apps. It's like being a secret shopper, but online. They might ask you to find specific information on a website. Imagine being a detective, but from the comfort of your home. Or maybe they'll want your opinion on a new product design. Your feedback could shape the next big thing. They might even make you watch a cat video and rate the cuteness level. Yes, your love for cat videos can finally pay off. The best part? You get paid for every task you complete. No more wasting time online for free. The more tasks you do, the more money you make. It's that simple. So why not turn your screen time into earning time? Imagine sharing this easy gig with friends and celebrating your earnings together. It's a win-win. Section 4. Making it rain $300 a day, baby. Now let's talk about the big bucks. Imagine waking up every day knowing you have the potential to earn a substantial amount of money right from the comfort of your home. Can you really make $300 a day with Userlytics? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? The short answer is yes. But there's more to it than just signing up. It takes work, dedication, and a whole lot of screen time. You need to be prepared to put in the hours and stay focused. Most Userlytics tasks pay between $5 to $20. These tasks can range from simple usability tests to more complex assignments. Some tasks might even pay more depending on the complexity and time required. The more intricate the task, the higher the payout. So to make $300 a day, you gotta hustle. It's all about maximizing your time and effort. Think of it like a video game. Each task you complete is like leveling up. The more tasks you complete, the more points you earn. And with each point, you're one step closer to your goal. And the more points you earn, the closer you get to that sweet, sweet $300 prize. It's a journey, but with persistence and hard work, it's definitely achievable. Section 5, Pro Tips, level up your earnings game. All right, listen up, rookies. Want to become a Userlytics superstar? Here are a few pro tips to maximize your earnings. Be active, check your dashboard regularly for new tasks. The early bird catches the worm. Be honest, provide thoughtful and detailed feedback. Companies value your opinions. Be patient. It might take some time to build up your earnings. Rome wasn't built in a day. Remember, consistency is key. The more you put in, the more you get out. Section 6, conclusion. Time to get this bread. So there you have it, folks. Userlytics, your ticket to financial freedom. Easy tasks, good pay, and you get to work from anywhere with an internet connection. What are you waiting for? Sign up today and start raking in that dough. It's time to turn your couch potato status into a profitable empire. Get out there and make it rain.